She put cantaloupe in her soap. Yeah, because it has awesome skin benefits. Check her out.
Oils in bars.
Oils and bars.
Oils and bars.
I'm excited here. I'm gonna go take a shower now.
Oils in bars. Yeah.
Always, I start out with preparing my fruit, washing and cleaning it. And then it's time to add my hard butters, oils, food grade sodium hydroxide, and mix that all together. Burp my blender, blend everything together. Add Nature's Miracle for dry, itchy skin, oat milk. Blend that all together. Then it's time to add my puree cantaloupe. Now, research says that cantaloupe helps to promote radiant and vibrant skin. Cantaloupe also is anti-aging. Cantaloupe also, like a lot of my other ingredients, reduces dark marks from your skin. Now, like I always encourage you, love the skin you're in. Stop being so hard on yourself, all right? Stop dogging your skin out. Your skin is beautiful and deserves the best soap.